Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm working on this piece right here. It's made from PVC pipe, and this is going to go underneath the passenger seat on the Can Am Spyder, and I'll show you what it's going to do. So on the Can Am, underneath the passenger seat, you have the switch here. This switch tells the system on the Can Am that I have a passenger back here. Well, what happens is if I put my bag for trips on the back seat, it activates the switch, which then cuts down the horsepower of the engine. I don't want to do that. I don't want the switch getting activated. So I took a piece of 4-inch PVC pipe. I cut it about 1.5 inches in height. This is actually a little big. I'm going to trim it. And I heated it up and I molded it as best as I could to the switch. Originally, I cut some indents here because this was going to go over the bolts. But then I realized that I can heat this up and mold it to the switch, so I don't need those indents anymore. You could use a 3-inch piece of PVC. It should fit around here. The only thing is you're going to have to make an indent kind of like that to go over the screws or bolts. 4-inch, heat it up, and just kind of, I don't know, make it fit on there. Okay, let's see how this looks on there. All I'm doing here is using a straight edge to see how far away I am from the switch. I am not going to take that down anymore. There's something I didn't account for. The spring. This spring right here is actually hitting this frame. So I'm going to have to cut a section out of this frame to make clearance for this spring. Let's try to figure this out. All right, we got 2 issues. Looks like I got 2 issues. I'm going to have to cut some out of here and some out of here. Long story short, there's one indent and then there's the other one I cut. Now we're going to see if this is going to work on here. That actually works. All right, so those 2 notches that we did was for this spring and this piece right here. Put the tether back on. See how that goes? Just like that. Now we can put the seat in. Now when I put the bag on it, it won't activate the switch. I know it's moving, but the switch is not engaging. You can hear it, it doesn't move. It stops right on top of the PVC. So make yours 1.5 inches in height. Best thing to do, I think, would be to use a 3-inch PVC. And all you gotta do is cut notches to go over the bolts, and that would probably work better. I had 4-inch PVC, so I made it work by heating it up and molding it around the switch, and then I had to cut those notches for the spring and that other section. One last thing before I go. As of right now, the cross-country trip has been canceled. Medical issues with my mother, and everything's okay. It's just that she's got a ton of medical appointments and stuff now that she's out of the hospital, and I just don't have somebody to fill in for me while I'm gone. I mean, my brother's there, but I can't throw everything on him. It doesn't feel right. It's good. Maybe it's a sign or an omen. Who knows? You all take care. Ride safe. Catch you on the next one.